Hey YouTubers, what's going on? This is Super Simple Fixes, and today we're going to be showing you how to jump start a car. But before we get started, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Okay, right now we have a portable charger pack, and I've hooked up the red handle to the positive lead. You'll see the positive lead will have a plus sign on it, usually red also. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to grab that black handle. This is for the negative lead. So we get that. Down here. And we're going to hook it up right here. We're going to flip the switch on for this pack, just like that. That's going to give me a little charge, and let's go see what happens when I try to start this car up. There we go. So that's super easy with a portable charger pack. Alright, so now that we've got this battery all jumped up and ready to go, I want to talk about this little battery charger here. If you keep one of these things in the back seat of your car or in your trunk, which would be a good idea, you want to make sure that it's charged up at least once a month. Or if you use it to jump your car, make sure you also bring it inside and charge it up, because there's nothing worse than having a portable car charger that is also dead, and you have a dead battery and you can't do any kind of jump whatsoever unless you have jumper cables. Alright, that would be for another episode, but I do hope you learned something, and have a great rest of the day.